truly capture the complexity of bimanual operations in robotics, it's crucial to use multiple demonstration angles and sensor modalities. By incorporating different camera angles, we can monitor the intricate interactions between both robotic arms and their environment from every possible perspective. These varied perspectives allows us to capture details that might be missed from just one viewpoint, ensuring that every movement is recorded with precision. In addition to visual angles, using diverse sensor modalities such as force sensors, tactile sensors, and depth cameras adds layers of data. This not only captures visual information but also the physical forces at play during operation. This comprehensive approach leads to more precise modeling and training, ultimately resulting in more effective and reliable bimanual operation in real-world application. Combining these techniques ensure your robotic work is as accurate and reliable as possible. Like and subscribe for more insights.